Assalamu alaikum nursery class. How are you all? I hope you are doing fine and happy. Today we are going to learn about the family. Yes. Okay. Okay, tell me now. What is this? What is this? Good. And what is this? D. Okay. D. Now join it. And read it. D. D. Mad. Good. What is this? S. What is this? S. And what is this? D. Good. Now join it and read. S. D. Sad. S. D. Sad. Okay, tell me now what is this? And what is this? D. Now join it and read it. D. Had. Good. What is this? B. What is this? B. Good. And what is this? D. Now join it and read. B. D. Bad. Very well done. Okay, tell me now what is this? D. What is this? D. Good. And what is this? D. D. Very well done. Now join it and read. D. Dad. Good. D. Dad. Okay.